Hi, my name is Juan. This is my project 0 for CS50 Web Programming with Python and JavaScript. All right, so the first point is the 3 Google pages, the Google regular page, the image search, and there's also the advanced search. There's 3 of them. We're gonna start with the search page. So in here, if we make a query like CS50 and we hit on the Google search button, we go to CS50. We can try with our example like Python. If we Google search, there's the Python page. All right. Well, the second page is image search, and in here, if we search for something like Batman, and we try to make the search, there we are in the image search section. All right, now let's try with another thing like Superman, and if we search, there's the Superman image Google page. Now let's try the advanced search. So we're gonna find something like collie, border, any of these words, dog, none of these words like cat. All right, if we hit on the advanced search button, there we are, and here's a query. The border collie dog family, not the cat word. And that's the 3 pages. Now we have to try the I'm feeling lucky button. And if we hit on CS50, for example, and we go to I'm feeling lucky, well, this is a security Google system. Let's go to the first link, and there we are in the CS50 website, the first link. Okay. Well, the Google aesthetics are basically pretty similar. This is, well, the Google colors, the search bar with the rounded corners, the buttons under the search bar, the image search. It's basically the same, but in here it says images, and for the advanced search, well, this is Google advanced search. Everything in the left side of the screen thing, and I think that's it. Thank you all.